how to deploy GitHub project on Netlify. First, you will need to create a Netlify account. Once you have an account ready to go, from the home screen or project screen, you will see import from Git. Click on that, and the first option is going to be GitHub. So here what we have to do is to authorize Netlify. Click on authorize Netlify, and it should give you this message, authorized, and you will then be given the option of importing either all repositories or only select repositories. I'm going to do all repositories and click on install, and here we will have to verify via email. So I'm gonna click that and just gonna type the code here. Okay, so just like that, I'm gonna click on verify, and it's gonna give me this error, so I'm gonna need to do it again. All right, so I accidentally put the previous code, which I went and got on my email. Anyway, so now that I use the correct code here, you can choose whichever repository you want to add or deploy project for. Just choose it, and then the team, you will need to set a project name. So the project name is going to be Net Helps for me. The branch to deploy is going to be the main. You can choose the base directory and all of these other features here. You can fill out this information. Now we will click on deploy, and this is going to begin deploying your project, and here it is currently going to be building it, and that is basically how you deploy a project from GitHub to Netlify. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.